Have you ever had a dream that you know that is not fully ready yet, but you feel like you must start anyway? Like you haven't achieved everything you need. You don't even have all the resources, but something inside you is saying, start now. That's exactly where I am. And that is why I started a travel channel even before I started traveling properly. And in today's video, I want to explain why I made that decision. And maybe, just maybe, it will help someone who thinks that they're not ready yet to start anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to Elynn Adventures. If you're new here, my name is Elynn, and this space is about travel, exploration, and discovering beautiful places across Kenya and beyond. But here is the honest truth. You might notice something different. I haven't started traveling like most travel vloggers do. Not yet. No international trips, no luxury destinations, no constant movement from one country to another. And you might be wondering, why start a traveling channel now? And that's exactly what this video is all about. So stay with me until the end because I want to share my real journey, my mindset, and what I'm building behind the scenes. And also, I want to hear from you. Have you ever started something before you felt ready? Let me take you back a little. I just didn't wake up and decided I want to be a travel creator. It started with something small, curiosity. Every time I watched travel videos, I would feel something inside me. Not jealousy, but inspiration. Seeing people exploring different cities, cultures, food, and lifestyle made me ask myself, why not me? Why not me too? But then reality will kick in. I would think, I don't travel enough yet. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough experience. And maybe I should wait until I'm fully ready. And honestly, I almost waited. But then I realized something important. Waiting for a perfect condition is just another way of delaying your dream. So I made a decision. I will start now, even if my beginning is simple. One day I asked myself a powerful question. What if I don't need to be a traveler first before I start a travel channel? What if I begin by sharing my thoughts about travel, my dreams, my preparation journey, my local experience, and my perspectives on the places around me? Because travel is not just about distance, it's about curiosity, it's about storytelling, it's about how you see the world. And that changed everything for me. I stopped thinking I'm not ready and started thinking I am becoming. So I started Elynn Adventures not as someone who has arrived, but as someone who is on the journey. Let me be very honest here. If I had waited until everything was perfect, I probably will still be waiting because perfect timing is something that never really comes. Starting early allows you to learn while growing, improving through experiences, building consistency, understanding your audience, and most importantly, grow your confidence. Because one day when I'm traveling more, I'll look back and see how far I've come. And maybe you will too. Let me pause and ask you something. Do you believe you have to be fully ready before you start something important? Or you think you can start while still learning? And also, what is something that you have been postponing because you feel that you are not fully ready yet? Let's talk in the comments. So, what is Elynn Adventures all about? Yet, it's a travel channel, but more than that, it's a journey. A journey of starting small, growing step by step, and sharing real experiences along the way. You will see talk to camera videos like this, especially now in the beginning, local exploration, hidden gems in Kenya, and we have lots of them, and finally, real travel adventures. And what I want you to understand is this. You are not just watching a travel channel, you're watching a journey begin in real time. And I think that's what makes it special. So, if you are someone who has been waiting for something, waiting for money, waiting for confidence, waiting for experience, I want to tell you something real. Start anyway. Start messy. Start small. Start unsure. But start. Because at the beginning is where everything changes. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share your comments. And feel free to subscribe to Elynn Adventures. Bye. Until next time.